Hey y'all, it's me. Um, it is me, I promise. Look, pollen's got me. I'm sorry. This video was supposed to be out yesterday, but I had to go get Sudafed, so we're doing a trash to treasure, or is it still trash? You guys tell me. I'm not sure. So I needed a place to separate my brushes and stuff like that. So I've got a ton of tubes from toilet paper, paper towels, just skinny tubes from vinyl and all kinds of stuff, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and maneuver these around and get them all basically around the same size here. And whew, I'm losing my breath. I'm going to take my tiny attacher and I'm going to stick it down there and I'm going to staple these together, okay? Now, I wish I would have painted or decorated my tubes before I put them together. It would have made it a whole lot prettier. So I said, is it still trash? But anyway, yeah. So, I'm just going to staple these together and then I'll start gluing them together in a little bit just to make my shape that I want with my tubes. Alright, now that I got those main set of tubes together, I'm going to take them and I am going to glue them at the bottom. Whew, y'all, I'm getting out of breath trying to talk normal. It's killing me. I'm going to have to take a break in a minute and drink my coffee. But anyway, I'm just going to finish gluing these and then I'm going to glue those tubes onto those tubes and have a big bunch of tubes. Okay, so I got them all glued together. And I've got this skinnier one that I need for stuff. So I'm going to take this. And I was seriously going to use my miter box. Oh, I don't realize my camera's crooked. That makes me nervous. But I was going to use my miter box. I'm telling y'all, I did not use the miter box. I did on one. And it was a struggle. And I just took them in there. And I have a, what is that thing? Oh, I got a bandsaw. So I cut them on my bandsaw. I ain't even gonna lie. I would have put them on the miter saw that's electric. My little miter saw before I would try to put them in this miter box again. But anyway, I'm gonna cut my tubes because you see I want them. I'm trying to measure out how long I need them for my instruments. Like I'm a doctor or dentist or something. My blending brushes and stuff. I want to see how long I need them. So I'm going to measure them out. And then I'm going to cut that tube, okay? Y'all ain't got to see that mess. Okay, my tubes are cut. And I'm just going to take them. And I'm simply going to glue on here. And I'm going to put them down flat to make sure they're flat. That's not necessary. I did it, but it's not necessary. Now you see by the, where I'm lowering these, I should have painted or did something with them tubes before I glued them together. It would have been so much prettier. That's why I said trash to treasure or trash to trash. But you know what? It's my treasure because I needed this and it's in my room and I don't care if it's perfect because it's mine. So, sometimes if I was selling this, I would definitely have done it better. I'd probably do it in trash, to be honest with you. Look at all those tubes I put on there. Holy socks, that's a lot of tubes, ain't it? Now, I put a piece of tape around them to hold them. And you know what? I took this outside so I wouldn't have to paint it. My husband was mowing the yard. And I spray painted it. And he come by from being way out in the yard and blew dirt all over it. And it stuck. So I had to sand cardboard, sticky cardboard, and then paint it with acrylic paint. I was so mad. Ugh. And then I've got these stickers and I thought, well, I could do something to make it look a little better. So I don't even know where I got these rolls of stickers. Honestly, I don't. But I'm going to take them and I'm going to put stickers all around these tubes here. Okay. And yeah, there's little various stickers to make it look a little better. This sucker's so wonky and crazy looking, but you know what? It works. It works. I'll show you in the end. You'll see it. It works. I've got this wood piece I got from Hobby Lobby. It was a 3-pack and they're not cheap, but I get them when they're 40% off of $5.99. And they fit right down in there. Now, I can add more tubes if I want to, but I'm not going to because I'm going to put some stuff in there. But I got to get all this out of here into these tubes. And that's just because the tubes give me more room than that thing does. And my blending brushes cannot touch each other because it'll smear the ink and it won't be good when I'm blending. So now I've got this. I use this thing for painting. Y'all pray I don't drop all this is what I was saying. I've got this thing, the spinner that I use for painting. I can sacrifice it because I put a piece of rug stuff on there so it won't go nowhere. But look at all that stuff in those tubes. Y'all, I was tripping. I was so excited. This cut down on a whole tower and I don't know what all. And it's all in this one spinny. So that is a win-win, y'all. Win-win. Okay? So I'm going to put this aside. I said, where's my pencil go? Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't do stuff like this all the time. There's no telling what I'm going to be doing, to be honest with you. But yeah. So now I need something else. So I bought this crayon thing at the Dollar Tree. They're from Jot. And then I've got this, you can use stickers. You can use whatever. But I got this, I call it contact paper. But it's supposed to be their vinyl from Dollar Tree from long ago. And shoo, I had to cough. I'm just going to peel these stickers off and I'm going to put it on this vinyl because I liked how it looked on there. So I'm just going to use the stickers to make my stickers, my pretty rose stickers. And I'm going to put this on the whole container, okay? So what I'm going to do, this is a short video, but all I'm going to do is put this on there, and then I'm going to cut them out, and then I'm going to measure the back by laying it down. Well, I'll show you. Hold on. Now I just fussy cut these around. I'm not a fussy cutter. But I'll tell you who is and is good at it. And that is, who is it? I know her. Tiffany at Simply Blessed Crafts. I just lost my brain is fogged. I got so much mucus in my head. I don't know how my brain fits in there. It's just swimming, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, y'all, the pollen here that's high is oak and cedar, and I live in the woods. So yeah, I don't stand a chance, y'all. Don't stand a chance. But anyway, so then I'm just going to place this vinyl down on here as straight as I can. Again, this is mine, and I don't care if it's perfect. All right. So now I'm going to lay the box down, and I'm tracing around this box, but I don't want the back. I don't want it. This is offset, so I want the back offset. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut on the inside of this a little bit and cut this out, and I'm going to do the sides and a piece on top too. And there it is. It's all finished, and I'm so excited about it. And this is to put, your broken blades and stuff like that in it, and then I'll empty it into something like a pill bottle or something and throw it in the trash. There's that. Ain't it cute? Y'all, I'm doing this on my table because I don't know where else to put it. But look at that. That's a whole bunch of stuff. My blending brushes don't touch anymore. If they do, it's the back of it, and that's not going to matter. And then I got all my little tools in here, my blending brushes, some of this is for my junk journaling and card making, and some of it ain't. But yeah, there it is. Thank you for watching. You guys are a blessing. Goodbye.